Tayo nyo ako! Huli! Naglalakad pa uwi. Galing sideline. Galing sa salon. pero mga tunay kami lalaki.
Wala bang pulis dyan?
Bakit?
Pwede tayong
Papatulong tayo.
Ha?
Papahatid tayo.
Oo. Pwede tayo pahatid sa pulis.
Lapit na tayo ng bus highway. Lapit na. Abangan ang susunod na kabanata dito sa Kapanapanabik na Abulin Mo Ako, Babaeng Lumpo. Yun! Nakaalam mo yung taxi! Saan? Aha!
No, that is the taxi.
Yeah!
How much you give?
We're in taxi right now. 30 reals! 30!
20!
Oh, my friend.
Huh?
30, no problem.
Okay, 30. Kalas.
No 40? No.
No 40.
30 kalas.
40 not good.
Also not good.
How are you, my friend?
My friend, okay, 35.
Wow, we got 35.
No,
30 only. Always going home 30.
30 only.
Najma.
Yeah,
Najma.
Najma. You're from? My friend, you're from?
Philippines.
Oh, wow! Philippines, Kabayan, my friend.
No, free, no problem. Free, Kabayan.
Free. If Kabayan, free.
Because
Free.
this car is rent. I buy 265. That's no money.
No money, huh?
Yes,
265 per day, no?
per day. Only 11 hours.
11
Not
hours. 11 hours.
After that, whatever the excess is yours.
Yes.
That's good.
Plus,
How much?
plus salary, no?
No salary.
Sa raffle.
Saan ka po?
Year end.
Anong ano ba to? Karwa ba to?
Karwa.
This is Karwa, my friend.
Yes, good one.
Did you join the New Year end party
But is there?
of Karwa? Are you there?
This not one dead one. This before dead
Before?
one maybe.
Finish already.
Finish already.
Yeah.
You remember that?
You remember
Last
this
time.
one?
You remember me? I play drums there.
No, because I.
You go outside.
I'm duty.
So,
No, Joji, no.
there's a lot of raffle there.
A lot of raffle. House and lot in a pot. Malum hindi.
Hindi man.
Wow. Mafi malum hindi mi.
Hindi. Ano to, immigration?
Sa taxi na tayo, kamo tayo.
Dito nag-ano. Dito nag-ano.
Oh, cool. Cool.
Yan ako dati sa likod niya nakatira.
Wala. Mabilis to ng isaw yung Mitsubishi. Nag-part-time ako sa ano ba, sa Lucay. Yung ginagamit nilang pang ano, yung safety car racing. Yung Mitsubishi yung nauna. Pero manual yun, pero ganyan tsura na talaga. manual lang siya. Ano, grabe yung bilis niya.